Good morning, students. This is your English class. Now we are studying chapter 3 in your English grammar book, that is about the topic the correct use of pronouns. Students, we have already studied Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3, Rule 4 for the use of pronouns. So, today in this video, we are going to study about Rule 5, Rule 6 and Rule 7. So students, let's open page number 21 in your English grammar book. Now, read Rule 5. Rule 5. Reflexive pronouns are never used as a subject. Means, we can't use reflexive pronouns as a subject. Okay? See example 1. Yourself can do it easily. Yourself is the reflexive pronoun and it is used as subject. That's why the sentence is wrong. इस सेंटेंस में yourself जो है वो है reflexive pronouns और ये reflexive pronoun yourself as a subject यूज हुआ है, इसीलिए इस सेंटेंस wrong है. Okay? You can do it easily. The correct sentence is you can do it easily. Number 2, himself is to blame for it. Okay, himself is the reflexive pronoun that is used as a subject in this sentence. That's why the sentence is wrong. Okay, second sentence में himself reflexive pronoun है और ये reflexive pronoun himself as a subject यूज हुआ है, इसीलिए ये sentence wrong है. The correct sentence is he is to blame for it. Number 3, myself saw it with my own eyes. Okay? In this sentence, myself is the reflexive pronoun that is used as a subject in this sentence. That's why the sentence is wrong. Myself जो है ये रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन है और इस सेंटेंस में माई सेल्फ एज अ सब्जेक्ट यूज हुआ है, इसीलिए ये सेंटेंस रॉन्ग है. द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज आई सॉ इट विथ माई ओन आईज. नाउ रूल 6. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड आफ्टर अ वर्ब प्लस प्रीपोजिशन. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस को हम यूज करते हैं वर्ब प्लस प्रीपोजिशन के बाद. ओके पहले वर्ब रहता है, उसके बाद प्रीपोजिशन रहता है, उसके बाद हम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन का यूज करते हैं. नाउ सी द एग्जांपल. नंबर 1, he spoke to himself. He spoke to himself. In this sentence, spoke is the verb, to is the preposition. Okay? Spoke is the verb, to is the preposition, and after verb and preposition, we use reflexive pronoun that is himself. इस सेंटेंस में spoke verb है, to preposition है और verb plus preposition के बाद हम जो reflexive pronoun का यूज किए हैं वो है himself. Number 2, look after yourself. In this sentence, look is the verb, after is the preposition, and after verb plus preposition we use reflexive pronoun yourself. इस सेंटेंस में look verb है, आफ्टर प्रीपोजिशन है. सो वर्ब प्लस प्रीपोजिशन के बाद हम जो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन यूज किए हैं वो है योरसेल्फ. नंबर 3, डिड सी पे फॉर इट हरसेल्फ. डिड सी पे फॉर हरसेल्फ. इन दिस सेंटेंस पे इज द वर्ब, फॉर इज द प्रीपोजिशन. आफ्टर वर्ब एंड प्रीपोजिशन वी यूज हरसेल्फ एज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. इस सेंटेंस में पे वर्ब है, फॉर है प्रीपोजिशन, वर्ब प्लस प्रीपोजिशन के बाद हम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन हर सेल्फ का यूज किए हैं. बट द रिफ्लेक्सिव फॉर्म इज नॉट यूज्ड व्हेन द प्रीपोजिशन इंडिकेट्स सम प्लेस और स्पेस. ओके, रिफ्लेक्सिव फॉर्म तब यूज नहीं होता है जब प्रीपोजिशन किसी प्लेस या स्पेस को इंडिकेट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he took his dog with him. He took his dog with him, not himself. Number 2, they put the child between them, not themselves. Okay? In these two sentences, the prepositions are with and between. And these prepositions indicate space and place. That's why we don't use himself in place of him and themselves in place of them. Okay? Now see page number 23 in your English grammar book. Every noun, any is used when a choice is expressed between more than two nouns. Okay? हम every noun और any को यूज करते हैं जब दो noun के बीच हमको किसी एक को चॉइस करना होता है, सिलेक्ट करना होता है. ठीक है? Number 1, none of these girls is my cousin. Okay? None of these girls is my cousin. None of these girls is my cousin. In this sentence, none is the pronoun and it includes a singular verb that is. Number 2, he has 3 sons. Each has a car. In this sentence, each is the pronoun and it includes a singular verb that is has. Number 3, neither of the two boys was intelligent. In this sentence, neither is the pronoun and it includes a singular verb that is was. Okay? Like these sentences are given. So in Rule 7, we have studied about the pronouns like each, of, either of, neither of, none of, no one, anyone, someone, etc. Okay? In Rule 7, we have studied about those pronouns each of, either of, neither of, none of, no one, anyone, someone, etc. Either or neither is used when a choice is expressed between two nouns. जब दो noun के बीच में एक को चूज करना होता है तब हम either और neither का यूज करते हैं. तब हम either और neither का यूज करते हैं. Okay? So students, you have to study these rules properly, then you can understand about these rules, about the use of pronouns. In the next class, we will study about the next rules given here.